Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put transmission fluid in an Infiniti G35. First, let's prepare. You'll need a funnel, a wrench, and the specific transmission fluid recommended for your vehicle. Always ensure your car is on a flat surface and the engine is cool before starting. Consulting your owner's manual for the exact fluid type and capacity is a crucial first step for proper maintenance. Now let's check the current fluid level. Find the transmission fluid dipstick, which is typically red or yellow. Pull it out, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth, and then fully reinsert it. Remove it once more to get an accurate reading. The fluid level should ideally fall between the designated hot or full marks on the dipstick, indicating a proper range. With the level checked, it's time to add fluid if needed. Place a clean funnel into the dipstick tube. Slowly pour in the recommended transmission fluid, adding only small amounts at a time. After each addition, recheck the fluid level using the dipstick. It is very important not to overfill the transmission, as this can lead to serious operational issues and costly repairs. For the final step, start your engine and cycle through all the gears, then put it back in park. Recheck the fluid level one last time with the engine running and warm. Remember to dispose of old fluid responsibly at an approved facility. Regularly checking your transmission fluid, perhaps every 6 months or every 5,000 miles, helps ensure your Infiniti G35 runs smoothly for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.